Have you ever seen the arrowroot? This is what it looks like. Yes, and here is the arrowroot flower, people. Yeah, so you may be wondering how is it that we get from this to this? Yeah, now stick and stay. You will know in just a minute. Yes, people, as you can see, go mash mash, yeah. So today we'll be boiling tea. Yeah. I am done digging, and now I am removing all the scales from the arrowroot. Yes, and it's important that you remove all the scales, and then after removing the scales we will then wash the roots. Yes, it's important that you have all the roots clean for this procedure. And then we will grate. Yes, grate every inch of the roots. Yes, my people. That's how you will do it. And then after you finish grating, yeah, you will then washing the arrowroot that is grated, wash it off the grater. Yes, because you would want every bit of the root. You wouldn't want to waste any of it. All right, so you have to make sure that you use the water to get it all in your bowl. Yes, and as you can see, it's all gummy. Yes, thick. And then we will move to mixing the water with the roots. Mix it, squeeze it so that you will get all, yes, the nutrients being mixed out in the water as well. All that is grated. Yes, and then we will move to now straining. And it's important that you get a nice cheesecloth, my people, to strain. Yes, to strain the roots. Yes, because you wouldn't want any of the root itself to be in the liquid, so you can't use a strainer, but you must use a cheesecloth, my friends and family. You must use a cloth like this one. All right, my people. Yeah, wonderful liquid, wonderful juice. You must allow it to sit, yes, for about 3 hours, and then after that, you know, you will pour off the water. Now when you allow it to sit, it will settle. The water will change to a much darker look, right? And then when it's very dark, you know that it is already settled, and then you pour off the water, and look at that. Wow, the arrowroot has settled, my people. It's the first time I'm seeing this. It's such an awesome sight, don't it? Yeah. So that's how we do it in the country. Yes, and we are up making our arrowroot. Then you will allow it to sit for 3 days to dry. And then after 3 days, you will realize that it is formed and it is set. So what you will do is to get a bottle, if you don't have a mortar, and pound it out. Pound it out as soft as you want it. Just pound it out and you will get it all flaky, all powdery, all nice, all wonderful as this. And this is how we do it, my people. This is how we make the arrowroot powder. Wonderful sight to behold. Yes, so remember to like, subscribe and share, my people. Yes, and to leave a comment below so I can know how you're enjoying the venvenmusic and country life videos. So until next time, do take care.